Friends, welcome back to our new video. This is our 10 plus 2 Maruti Omni. That means a mobile fountain soda machine. And this machine is going for Sri Lanka. We are going to export this machine to Sri Lanka. Today I will teach you about the process of installation of this machine. First of all, what we have to do? Remove these locks. Cut out these locks by cutter, by spinal or etc. Okay, then it will be get free. So what you have to do? Come here. I will see you. You have to this pipe from this side. Okay, and this pipe will go back side of the machine. You have to remove all the pipes like this. Okay. The second one, you have to input the plug of cooling system. This is a small one is for cooling system. Okay, this is a 16 ampere 250 watt AC plug. You have to put into the plug like this. Okay, then you have to start the cooling. You have to, once the cooling is started, then you have to fill the water of, this is a tank of the machine. This is a 200 liter of tank. First of all, you have to fill only 25% water in this tank. Once it will get chilled, then you have to add another 25% of the tank size water. Okay, once it will be also get chilled, then you have to fill full the tank. Don't have to fill one time full tank. Don't fill the full tank one time. Okay. Then later what we have to do? We will give you the syrup tank like this. You have to add 6 liter water and 6 kg sugar. You have to mix up and filter it and put in the tank. Fill the tank. Okay. Push करने. The syrup tank process is we will give you this type of tank. If this is a 12 level of machine, then we will give you syrup tanks, 12 syrup tanks like this. In this, what we have to do? If you are making the carbonated flavor like cola, Sprite, masala soda, fruit beer, blueberry, lime, lemon, pudina masala, this kind of flavor, then in this flavor what we have to do? We have to add 6 kg sugar and 6 liter water we have to mix up. Okay, and filter it and fill in this tank. Okay, we have made today, this is a watermelon flavor for tasting. It's very easy to operate. We just have to do this, fill the syrup tank. Okay, once we fill the syrup tank, then we have to give this pipe. We will give you this kind of pipe. The connection, you have to fill the connection in this CO2 meter. They will give you CO2 meter also with the machine. Come here, I will see you how to fill. This here is a 2 pipes will come here. Once from machine pipe will fit here. The pipe of the machine will be fitted here. And the second one like this. This is called the gas divider. This one pipe will be fitted here. Okay. Once it gets fitted, then we have to open the key. Okay. And this one will be loose. Okay. So you have to tighten it. This one you have to tighten till 80. Under 80. Okay. Like under 100. Like 80. Okay. And this one only 40, between 40 to 50. Okay, this is a divider, gas divider. This pressure will go inside the tank. Okay, and once from this side, the CO2 will be go inside the tank, and from this side, syrup will be come out. And here, this pipe will come in this carbonator, and this carbonator will make soda. Okay, and then both will be mixed here in the wall. Okay, so today we have made watermelon flavor. See, it's very easy. You just have to put here like this. This is the flavor come out. Okay. This is ready. Please continue.
Start.
This is very easy. The flavor and soda will be mixed here. Okay, you can also set the taste of the soda. Like you want sweet, then you can you want syrup in soda. You can freely set the taste from the here, and you just have to simply push it, the flavor, and soda will be mixed up, and you get flavor soda like this. All the valves are ready to operate. You just have to single click and one will be open. Okay.
Start.
This 200 liter of tank will give you the backup of approximately 12 hour backup for chilled water. Okay. We have to fill all the tank and it will be get chilled in 4 to 5 hours only. Okay. And once it will be get chilled, you can also operate this soda system like motor, pump, etc. and valve also on battery and inverter also. You just need 120 ampere of two batteries. Okay. And approximately 1800 volt inverter also. Okay. It's very simple. There is no mechanism like rocket, so we can't understand. It's very easy. Just put this machine into your van and go with the machine anywhere at your favorable place like garden, park, ceremonies, and big malls, out of the malls. You can put this machine, you can go with this machine and operate it. If you have any query, you can contact us. Thank you for watching. Thank you.